Hey guys, before I start, I just want to say Happy New Year. I haven't uploaded in like 12 months, but I am back and we are back in a very big way. How so? I bought the same phone again for the second year in a row, introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So we got the box here, where it just says S24 Ultra, and the color we got, I think it's called gray. I was gonna say natural titanium, but this is not an iPhone. Anyway, yes, this is the first time in a long time where I bought just the normal basic color. Like the one in the ads is this color. It's basically the same as what the iPhone 15 Pro color is, like the basic one, the natural titanium. And on the side here, we just have Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the top, nothing. This side, it says Samsung. The one change I noticed on the box is there's a shadow where the phone is and the S Pen. Honestly, this box design, in my opinion, it looks very basic. I'm not really a big fan of it. I don't know. Like, do you guys agree? Do you think Samsung should spice up their boxes a bit more? Before we just had like a giant S with like 22 or something in the background, which was also stupid. I don't know. Apple made their boxes white for the Pro models this year, which was interesting. Oh no, they did it last year actually. So I don't know, should they go to white boxes for their Ultra and Pro model devices? What do you guys think? All right, so on the back, we just have the contents. So here it says S24 Ultra, S Pen, USB cable, quick start guide, and we're sort of used to use this, the quick pull tab. So you just pull here and another one down here. Just an easy way to unbox the phone and move that out of the way. And without further ado, let's open it. Boom! We got the Galaxy S24 Ultra in this nice titanium gray color. And it definitely looks gray. I thought from the lighting, it looks a little yellow. The yellow lighting is because my walls are yellow. The phone itself does not look yellow, but yeah. Yeah, it looks like a Samsung phone. We got titanium sides, of course. One design change I noticed, they moved the second microphone to the top, whereas before we had two microphones down here, like there's one there and one here, and the speaker grill is like one slot instead of like vertical lines, which is interesting. And boom! Let's see, everyone keeps talking about how the display is less reflective, but even just looking at it now, you can see, you know, there's like my screen, my hand. It's still a bit reflective. So yeah, we're just gonna turn it on. All right, so we got the Samsung Galaxy logo, secured by Knox, and we're just gonna keep going around the device. The in-hand feel, it feels cool to the touch. I do like the matte finish. It's pretty nice. In terms of weight and weight distribution, it doesn't feel too different from the S23 Ultra. It is a little bit lighter. It's like 2 or 3 grams lighter than the S23 Ultra. So there's that. Aside for the phone, of course, we have just the usual books and stuff. I don't even know if I'm going to bother opening. There's a SIM card slot. Yes, this phone still has a SIM card slots, I believe even in the States. So yay, we survived another year without having to use eSIM. I don't know how many more years they're going to do that, but yeah. Yeah, just a cable, a little guide, but most likely you're going to use the virtual guide anyway. In addition to that, I have some accessories, aside for the phone. I got some tempered glass screen protectors because the display for the first time in many years is a flat screen, and yeah, it looks pretty dang flat and feels nice. However, I'm worried that this might make the display less reflective, so I'm going to install this off camera and talk about how it's affecting the screen in another video. So we're going to put that to the side for now. Next up, we got a case. And I wanted to pick a case that would help show off the new titanium gray color, you know. So I just got this Spigen clear case with a kickstand built in. So I thought that was multi-purpose and kind of neat. And got the case here, has kickstand, all that. Boom. All right, let's install it on a phone. All right, bit of a tight fit, but I think it's all right. It shows out the color of the phone. Again, you can see my walls are yellow, which is why the phone looks yellow, but You can sort of see it's gray here, and it matches the kickstand, so I think it looks all right. Again, testing the kickstand out. Boom. Boom. You get the idea. It's a kickstand. And it doesn't increase the size of the phone too much, so that's good. The S Pen, let's see. It feels slightly more rubbery, I think. It comes in this gray color. The spring feels slightly higher quality, I think, than on the S24 Ultra, but yeah, overall it's just an S Pen as you'd expect. And that's pretty much it. Oh, it looks like it's charged 66%, so yay. I'll go through the setup and talk more about the features in another video, I suppose. All right, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see on this phone. If you have any questions about it, I'll answer it in an upcoming video. And that is all. Bye.